In this video, we will explore the single responsibility principle using the LinkedIn user registration process as an example. The single responsibility principle states that each class, module, or function in your program should have only one reason to change, meaning it should only perform one job or have one responsibility. Now, let's consider the user registration process on LinkedIn using the single responsibility principle. Steps to register a user. First, ask the user to fill the sign-up form. Second, store the user data in the database such as name, email, and password. Third, send a welcome message to the user. Now let's declare a class that performs the above steps. We have got a class called user registration process. Inside it, there is a method named register. It consists of 3 steps. Step 1, fill sign-up form. Step 2, store user details in database. Step 3, send a welcome message. We can see that this code is violating the single responsibility principle because it has 3 different tasks in a single class. Using the SRP principle, we divide the above user registration process class into 3 different classes, each having a single and only one responsibility. The first class is user registration service, inside of which there is a method named register user. Similarly, we have user repository service and notification service classes for handling steps 2 and 3. Now let's connect above 3 classes by creating the object of user repository service and notification service class into the user registration service class. Now we can see that the user registration service class manages the initial step of filling in user details internally, while delegating the task of creating a user and sending notification to the respective services provided by user repository service and notification service. Here we can say that classes can work together to complete larger complex tasks, but each class must complete a function from start to finish before it passes the output to another class. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel.